Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho CRM connected apps with callback URLs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zoho CRM connected apps with callback URLs, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the developer space from the top right corner of the dashboard. Choose the API option available in the developer space menu. Click on Create a Client to register your application. You will see several options for connected app types. Select the appropriate option based on your application requirements. Fill in the necessary details including your application name and description. In the homepage URL field, enter the primary website address of your application. For the authorized redirect URIs, input the callback URL that Zoho will use after authentication. Ensure that your callback URL is correctly configured in your application. Choose the necessary scopes based on the access your application needs. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Create button. After creating the client, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Store these credentials securely, as you will need them for authentication. In your application, implement the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow. Redirect users to the Zoho authorization URL including your client ID and requested scopes. On successful login, users will be redirected back to your callback URL along with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code in your application logic. Next, exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a request to the Zoho token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, the authorization code, and the redirect URI in this request. On receiving the access token, store it securely for making API calls. If necessary, also acquire a refresh token to maintain access. Test the authentication process by making an API call to Zoho CRM using the access token. Make sure to handle any errors during the process for a better user experience. Regularly check your implementation against Zoho's API documentation for updates. This completes the authentication setup for Zoho CRM connected apps. You can now seamlessly integrate your application with Zoho CRM. Ensure that you monitor the usage and manage tokens effectively to maintain a secure connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.